The past quarter delivered one of the most striking shifts in the market. Growth stocks surged ahead of value stocks by more than 16%. That's the widest margin ever recorded. Within this rally, small-cap growth names stood out even more, posting dramatic earnings surprises and attracting fresh institutional attention. Today, we'll highlight 3 under-the-radar small-cap companies showing real momentum across very different industries. Small caps have been riding multiple tailwinds this year. Growth has not only beaten value, it has crushed it, with the widest gap in history. When growth shows this level of dominance, it often persists for several quarters. Small caps, in particular, remain highly sensitive to liquidity and sentiment. Historically, their sweet spot stretches from late November through mid-April, aided by seasonal flows like the January effect and pension contributions. Small-cap growth stocks are not without volatility, but their upside potential often outweighs the risks when chosen carefully. Companies like Argan, Idaho Strategic Resources, and Wen Group represent very different sectors: data centers, precious metals, and government contracting, yet they share the same defining trait: accelerating earnings momentum. For investors, the lesson is clear: pay attention to small caps when liquidity is abundant and momentum is building. These are often the first movers in a new growth cycle, and while they may hop unpredictably, the right names can deliver outsized returns in a relatively short time.